All right, challengers. I just want to hop on here real quick and tell you how to work the app. You don't have to download anything. It's web-based. I will send you a link in your email. So I'm going to head on over here to my email, check the one that I'd sent myself, click on the link, open it into whatever browser you use, Chrome or Safari, they all work. That open, and this opens up to your personal dashboard that has your workout plans in it. You see my name's there, your name will be in yours. I have already put in some practice workouts for you that are short so that they're not overwhelming by the amount of things that are in them, so you can kind of get used to the app. They are for you to get used to the app, nothing else. I want you to look through them, play with them. You can do the workouts, you cannot do the workouts, that's totally up to you, but I want you to click on them, I want you to look at them, I want you to look at the exercises, see the videos, practice putting the results in and checking it off and hitting submit, so that you'll get used to the app. So when it comes into real time, into playtime, you'll be ready for it. So also I want you to notice in the practice ones that I have for you, I have 3. One is a superset leg warm up, one is an ab and core, one is a yoga circuit. So you've got straight sets, you've got supersets, and you've got circuits. And those 3 things are really important. You're going to see those again in our challenge. So you want to make sure you know what those means. I'm going to open up just in my next plan. I've got the superset here. This plan notes are basically going to tell you what I've just said. And then the workout note will tell you this is a superset fashion. These are done back to back, 2 exercises back to back, no rest until you get to the end. And then you repeat them until you get the sets in. So superset, we're going to do standing hamstring curl with standing hip rolls. And you can even check the little video. I'll show you exactly what standing hamstring curls looks like. There should be a video on every exercise in case you don't know. When you finish both sets of the hamstring curl and the standing hip rolls, it's a superset. Remember, that's just 2 exercises. You're going to go ahead and put in what you did. I did 15 reps. I did 2 sets. And then you check it off. Same thing here. 15 times 2. And check. And then those are done. Then I'm ready for the next superset, which is body weight squats and jacks. And that just goes all the way down the line as you go through the workout. And when you finish, let me go ahead and just check off. Pretend I put results in, and then submit the plan. If you want to provide feedback, you certainly can. You can put warmed up nicely or whatever, and submit, and that will come to me. Surveys, you can totally skip. I don't have any survey questions. And then finish, and then it comes directly to me, and I can see that you've done your workout, and then your next plan just automatically pops up into the next place. So it is literally that simple to use the app. Now, if there's any glitches in it or something that doesn't work, just pull down and refresh and reload the page, and that usually will fix anything that's looking kind of wonky on it. All right, I hope this helps you, and if you have any questions, I want you to let me know.